Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited because I got my jewel box today. The jewel box. Let's open it and see what's in it. This is a collaboration box. Excuse me, bless me. With Fox and oh my God, look at the goodness. Look at the goodness. Oh my Lord. Look at, do y'all see this bag? Do y'all see how big this bag is? My Lord, look at this. Look at this. Let's open it up. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. That bag is huge. Look at this. That's okay. So look at this big, beautiful pouch. That starts it off. And then we have some. Let's see what these are. Looks like die cuts. Bows and goals. Yeah, these are die cuts. My diamonds are real. Look at her. Look at her bag. Girl, you is cute with them boots on. Look at that little dress. Oh my Lord. Look at that little cutie. The gym girl. The Ella Jewel girl. Oh, that dress is cute. Got the little bow on it. Old ways won't open new doors. That's an iPad. Say that, Queen. What you allow is what will continue. Ooh, you better say it. Shh. Queen napping. Live, love, sparkle. He says, I have all the jewels within me. That is so cute. This little cup with the unk on it. Some high heels. Ooh, you can make a cute dashboard out of all these little ones. Look at this little purse. Oh my goodness. Look at that little purse. Oh, wear that jumpsuit, girl. You better wear that jumpsuit. Look at that cute little purse. That's how jumpsuits fit on me because I'm so short. Ha! Are there some gold hoops? What? You are kidding me. Them gold hoops. Y'all better... With bows. That's a bow on there. Oh, my Lord. Look at this purse. Period. Look at these bows. All these bows. Fox and Pip bow. Jewel. The Isis Jewel bow. Oh, these are so adorable. I love them. These could be tabs to go on the side. You can laminate these and make side tabs. See, don't I do it? If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Diamond Queen. Look at that purse. I got a lot of purses. I love purses. 3 daily habits. Have a morning routine. Set small daily goals. Journal and track your journey. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. Oh my God. I love all of these. All of them. We'll put those back in there. Keeping our stuff together. Look at that pretty gem. It's sparkling. And it has the cloth so you can put it on there and make you a charm. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at it. I love that. And then we have stickers. Oh my Lord. You got the bow. This is a cup of coffee with the ice, with the, what does it say? Hello, sweet. Hello, Jewel. It says hello, Jewel. It's like a cup of coffee with a jewel at the top. Oh, stickers. That feel good. Oh my God. Look at her. You better give them some thigh. Girl, if you don't give them some thigh. Oh, look at her with the jumpsuit. Oh my God. I'm about to hoard these. I ain't about to use them. She gonna tell me to use my stuff and I don't want to. She gonna say, you better use your stuff, queen. I'm gonna be like, no. N-O, no. She gonna get mad at me. Look at that, how pretty. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at these. Washi strips. Hobo kit. Got a hobo kit? No, it's just a sticker kit, Lakina. You can use it wherever you want to. I ain't gonna use it nowhere. I'm saving it. She gonna get mad at me. She gonna fuss me out. Lakina, you better use that stuff. She gonna say, Sassy, use that stuff. I'm gonna say, mm-mm. Mm-mm, mm-mm. I'm gonna act like Monique. Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not. So cute. All the cute. I love all these colors. And last but not least, y'all ready? Paperwork. Watch this paperwork. Oh Lord. Look at this paper. Double-sided. Get 2 sheets. Oh, this is my favorite. This has got to be my absolute favorite. I love this. I need some more of this. I need to make this my desk. This need to be the backdrop on my desk. Oh, I love that. Look at the other side. Jesus. Be a fence. Look at that. Look at this one. Look at the other side. Oh my God, it matches the pouch. So guys, this is my jewel box experience right here. I love all these things. You hear me? Look at all this. All the things on top of this beautiful, big, beautiful pouch that I will hoard for the rest of my life. Okay, why you buy the stuff if you're not going to use it? Because I buy the stuff to use it. Then when I see how cute it is, I don't want to use it. What's wrong with that? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Look at that, y'all. Thank you for watching my video. Isis, Ella, Jewel, Fox, and Pip. Y'all did it with this one. I am going to enjoy this box. I say I'm going to hoard it. I might hoard some of it. I may use some of it. But in the end, I love all of it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and the notification bell on your way out. And send a friend over here. In 20 more subs, I'm going to do a giveaway. And I'll see you guys then. Talk to you soon. Bye.